Hello everyone, welcome to 4A NAB Premiere. I'm Satoshi Kanemura and newly appointed as President and COO of 4A America. Pleased to meet you all, and today I will let you guide you 4A's NAB 2021 plan. During the pandemic, I just hope you and your loved one are all safe. COVID-19 not only changed our lifestyle, but also gave significant impact on our business, especially the workflows. For instance, solutions for remote productions have become essential, and I don't think it will end even after pandemic. We have to adapt so-called new normal, but this new normal brought us great workflow innovation as well. The new normal accelerates the transition towards remote, IP, and cloud-based workflow, and also 3G, 12G, 25G transitions. This is a great gigantic step forward, but also at the same time, people are struggling how to maintain productivity during the transitions. Today, I'm very happy to introduce our products upgrade path, and which I hope help you to improve your workflow and solve the issue you face today. For instance, audio and lip sync, or remote productions, or how to remotely control the gear, or 3G or 12G hybrid operations, requirement for the IP-based multi-viewer, and such. We believe our upgrade path will improve your workflow and solve your issues towards remote, IP, and cloud-based solutions. But the SDI to IP conversion will not happen overnight. At 4A, our approach is built around hybrid operations which support both SDI and IP. And also we will introduce a lot necessary support gear for this IP environment, like conversion or synchronization, which can complete your total workflow. In Japanese, our company name 4A means grow the business together. So we really want to understand your business issue and the pain point and the technical issues. Then we both would like to create a solution together to support your business expansions. So we hope our solution built together with you gonna help your business during the transitions towards remote, IP, and cloud-based solution. After the introduction of our product update, I will come back and give you the sneak preview of what 4A gonna do at coming NAB 2021.
IP 対応マルチビューアーを制作するにあたり、市場の IP 対応マルチビューアーの調査を行いました。MV1640IP はお客様の声やインテグレーター様の声を反映し、季節のベースバンドシステムのマルチビューアーをイメージし、極力ベースバンドシステムライクに取り扱える製品を目指し開発しました。MV1640IP は SFP プラスコネクターの 25Gb イーサーの中に ST2110 の10、20、30、40の HD16 本を扱うことが可能となっております。ST2022 の7のリダンダント環境に対応するためには SFP プラスコネクターを2つ使用いただくことで可能となります。IP 以外の仕様としては既存 MV シリーズ同様に遅延、カスケード、筐体サイズ 1U、排熱構造、温度保証、そして10年保証というベースバンド放送機器仕様に対応した IP 対応マルチビューアーとなっております。スイッチャー出力等から MV に対して SDI で入力することを想定して SDI オプションを制作することにしました。IPHD で16本、SDI で16本、合計で最大32本の信号を扱える製品となっております。今後の課題としては IP 部の機能に関してはまだ手探りの部分がありますが、 市場からのフィードバックを得て、さらにより良い製品にしていきたいと考えております。
The Layout Manager screen has three areas: Controller, Layout Editor for screen design, and Logo Register to import logos and backgrounds. Using the Layout Editor, you select from 5 window types: 2K video, 1K video, 2K information, 1K information, or logo. Then select the aspect ratio, 16:9, 4:3, or pre-size. You may select quad when using 4K video inputs or single for HD and 3G. Windows may be freely sized and positioned anywhere on the screen. Overlapping is allowed, and window size and position can be moved or adjusted after placement. Double-clicking a window opens a new window that allows you to customize its contents. Buttons at the upper right allow changes to video information, video, Title 1 and Title 2. Titles may contain names, sources, format, alarms, or logos. Display timecode, left and right audio level meters, display closed caption detected status, tally markers for left, center, and right, and finally, safe title marker, size, and type. Closing the window returns you to your layout screen for the next window customization.
Like what you see? This is just part of what we're going to show at NAB 2021, which at the moment we can review. But we are preparing a lot more towards NAB 2021 show. For instance, how can we enable our customer to create better workflow which allows both standards SMPTE ST 2022 and SMPTE ST 2110 to coexist, including conversion or synchronizations to complete your workflow. What is a better workflow for your remote productions, including cloud-based solutions? How we can make it easy for you to connect to streaming and social media in order to expand your business? And what upgrades can make our products like 4K 1000 frame per sec ultra super motion camera to be much better accessible to you? Now we are happy and eager to have an open dialogue with you to understand your issue online, but I personally really would like to see your face in person after the pandemic to understand your issue you face and what kind of technology or solution we have can help your business more expansions. So in the meantime, please send any email attention to info@4a.com. That way we can start talk about your issue and what kind of solution we have, and then we can build up great momentum towards NAB 2021 show. Again, our company's mission is to grow the business together. So please let us understand your issues you face, and then let's think about together to create the solutions to support your business to be expanded and improved. Let's have exciting 2021 NAB show. Thank you.